Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm creating this beautiful soft liner look glam for you guys. I'm starting off by using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in light beige just to prime and prep my eyelids. Then I'm going in with the Juvia's Warrior 2 palette in the shade Canna. Just apply it on the outer corner as well as the inner corner. This acts as a transition color. Forgive me if I'm pronouncing the shades names wrong, but now I'm gonna go in with Yode, and that's gonna go on the outer corner as well as the inner corner, and focus that more on the crease rather than on the outside of your crease, if that makes sense. And if you know me, you know how much I love blending my eyeshadows, so we're just gonna do that until our arms fall out. And I'm gonna go in with my gel liner by Juvia's as well. I got this in a pack of 2, and this one I'm just gonna be applying it all over the lash line. If you see, I'm applying it, I first applied it on my lash line, then I'm gonna go in and try to create a wing. Ooh, I like the wing. Okay, get it, girl. This part I'm like trying to hold my breath so I can get my liner right. This is probably the hardest part. So now I'm gonna go in and fill in any gaps after I connect the end of the liner to meet my eyelids. If you guys want a liner tutorial, I can be more in depth about it. Let me know down in the description box and I could do that for you guys. But yeah, this is how I do the eyeliner. Okay, so now I make sure to blend the very inner corner and the outer corner of the liner because I want it to be like more smoked out so that it'll just look so much nicer and softer, you guys. So try this. Okay, so using the same palette, I'm going to be using the shade Kufuru, and we're going to use that with a smaller detailed brush just to blend out the eyeliner. You're going to do that, focus it on the outer corner as well as the inner corner. Okay, now using the shade Walzana, that's going to go with a very small detailed brush, and it will go right on that liner line, if that makes sense. You just want to make sure you're blending that again because we don't want it to look harsh. We want it to look more of a softer line. Using the same concealer shade that we used in the very beginning, I'm just carving out the very inner corner because I want it to look more sharper. You guys, this trick is gonna make it look so beautiful. We're gonna do the same thing on just to make your liner look more precise. So just carve it out, girl. It's gonna look nice. So now we're going in back with Yode, and we're just going to apply in the lower lash line, just the outer corner and the inner corner. Then we're going to go in with Kufuru again, and again, this one will go closer to your lash line. Using my concealer, I'm going to just apply a little bit in the very center because we want the center of the eyes to pop. So that's why I want the center to be the lightest. And now I'm using my beautiful Midnight Cowboy glitter liner by Urban Decay. I love this stuff. And we're going to apply that on the center of your upper eyelids as well as the lower lash line. I'm just coating my eyelashes with the Big Shot mascara by Maybelline. And then I'm using my beautiful Love Lashes. This is a Canadian owned brand. Support local, you guys. Okay girl. So this is what I always do when I'm waiting for my lashes to dry. Just, you know, sing along. Love me some Bryson. Once your glue is a little bit dry, we're going to apply our lashes using a tweezer. Honestly, you could use your fingers. It's the same thing. Sometimes it's even easier. If you're one of those people that doesn't put mascara on your lower lashes, we can't be friends, guys. We can't. Here's the final look. I did the rest of my face off camera, but it just looks so gorgeous. Soft glam, perfect for a date night. If you want to go out with your girls, with your man, with your boo, whatever it is, it's just, I love this look. It's like my go-to now. Thank you all for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look and are able to recreate it. If you do so, please tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see it and comment and support you.